as the Ratchet Turns.
This is Sean, you're watching as the Ratchet Turns. Let's see what's been going on around the shop. Got a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's having some brake issues, some rattling noises. Ryan over there making a lot of noise himself. We found that he said he had some brake work done. He's out of state. Looks like they've replaced the right rear brake caliper, rotor, and pads and brake hose. It's got a slight leak, but did not replace anything on the left rear. Also found that the rear shocks are rusted out. Get some rattling noises out of that. So we'll see what else we find on the Caravan. Ryan's over here working on replacing the fuel pump on the Chevy truck. Checking out the Dodge trucks. Got some vibration issues, transmission problems. They look way too serious.
Justin, just what are you doing?
Checking for leaks.
Checking for leaks. Is this the proper way to check for leaks?
Sure.
Sure. What is the method to your madness?
Spray with soap, and hopefully if air's coming out of it somewhere, it'll bubble up.
We're getting ready to do a service oil change on a 2017 Kia. Starts with pulling the vehicle in, and Ryan's going to guide us in on the rack. Then we're going to check all the lights, make sure all the lights are working properly. We do a free 30-point inspection with every oil change. So the RAV4 came in with some engine noise, a little bit of rattling. Jim, what did we find on the RAV4?
You've got a water pump that's not working correctly.
Water pump's not working correctly. It's making noise.
Making lots of noise.
What's wrong with the water pump?
Bearings inside the water pump are not bad. They're making any rattling sound.
So what are we going to do to fix that?
We're going to replace that water pump.
And with the water pump, it's going to need a new timing belt. Boys and their toys. Tuning in to another episode of As the Ratchet Turns here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. Don't forget to stop out and see us or give us a call, 740-335-2000. Have a good day.